Welcome to day 17 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today we're going to talk about knowing where you are, what line, what column you're currently at. So if you use the Control G command, if you look on the bottom here, it shows you what the file name you're currently on, what line number you're on, 5 of 30 total, and also what column you're at. So if you move to the right, do Control G again, it shows you column 16. Moving down, Control G shows you're on line 10. Well, that's useful, but it would be super useful if you can see all the line number you're on. So if you do escape : set NU or set number, this will show you all the line numbers in this file. And even better, if you do set ruler, it will always show you your column. So on the right here, as I move to the left and right here, you can see the column changes here. So why is this important? So let me save this file. Let's say you were compiling a C program. Any compiler usually tells you what line. So this is day17.c line 7, and what column is the error. So line 40. What I would do is I would jump back into the C program, go to line 7, starting from column 0, 40L, to jump to the 40th column. And you can see on the bottom here is column 41. So the error is somewhere here, and it looks like I have an unbalanced parentheses. I'll delete this one, save it, GCC again, and that compiles fine. And then this particular program just does something interesting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.